Good morning. Oh, here she comes. I'm not talking to you. Lay down. Lay down. Don't wiggle. Be still. Okay. I've been trying to sit down to do this for a little bit. Oh my goodness. So this is a, what do you call it? Miss NonnaGrace did a challenge, a bucket list challenge, and I was one of her recipients of doing a video bucket list. I don't know what you call it. But anyway, this is what I'm doing today for NonnaGrace. So, I'm very fortunate. Oh, gosh. I hate getting old. I have to see everything. I'm very fortunate that I have been able to do quite a few things throughout my lifetime that I really wanted to do. I'm really sad that I didn't know about YouTube. Y'all would just roll your eyes at some of the stuff I've done. Nothing bad or dangerous. Well, kind of not dangerous, but put my slipper down. Hey, no, but really, I wouldn't even say courageous because some of them might be stupid. Ow, ow, get down. Oh, y'all know how unprofessional I am. Anyway, this is my bucket list. First and foremost, which I would imagine this might be on the minds of most parents, but this is really on my mind, and even more so when I realized and was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. It just scared the bejesus out of me. So a lot of things were condensed into priority. So one of the things on my bucket list and praying for. Oh, get down. She's a mess, y'all. I want to see my son find true love. I want to see him find somebody who loves him more than I do. That's not possible, but it'd be nice to find, and have a wonderful family and a wonderful life, and for me to be around long enough to hang out with my grandbabies. That's what I want. Now, that being said, y'all, I'm not getting on a poor me. Life is life. If you believe in God, you're born and then you die. I'm not afraid to die. Trust me, heaven is probably way less complicated and a lot more relaxing than earth. That being said, they're just things that I want to see before that time. I love my Jesus. Yes, I do. So anyway, that's the number one on my bucket list is to be able to accomplish that. Let's see, what was my other one? Oh, the number two, y'all know the reason why I started this YouTube was so that I would have a video log of my life in case I wasn't here for future grandkids. I don't have any yet. But what it has turned into, I have a YouTube family. I want to come hang out with y'all. I want to be able to come visit you. So, that's one of the things on my bucket list is to be able to, in my travels, be able to, quit it. To be able to come and visit y'all, the ones that want to meet me and are okay with me meeting them, I want to come visit y'all. Being a truck driver in the oil field, it's really it's good for loners. I am labeled, and I label myself a social introvert. There's times when I can't be around crowds. I just can't. I know that. Look at what I go through with Walmart. Okay, so. But when I do, I love the social part of me. So anyway, that's my second, is to be able to come and meet you, hang out maybe for a day, even camp with you, whatever, y'all are my YouTube family. And so, let's see, I guess if it were about traveling, my third on my bucket list, the places that that I would like to go to, and this is from the easiest to the hardest, because of course, I live in North Dakota, so there's Alaska and Canada, which are closer to me, and it's more of a reasonable. I'm closer to being able to accomplish that. The other two, I'm gonna go to Australia. Yeah, I'm a Man from Snowy River fan. Oh, I just wish I wasn't so old. My heart just goes like this, and I love the Man from Snowy River, and that accent just makes me melt. So, and the UK. I mean, I watch. I never really even thought of it, but I watch Pippo with Worm's Eye View, and the stuff that she's showing, I'm like, oh my gosh, I would love to go there and visit. So, I hope there's a ton more, but I just kind of condensed it. But those are my 3 bucket lists that I would really like to accomplish. Now, I'm getting old, so I don't know how far I'll get, but I'm working on it, y'all. Now, I'm supposed to tag 3 people to do their bucket list also. And I guess this is where, the road meets the dirt, because this is where you'll find out who watches your videos and who doesn't. But I'd like to see Stacie's Country Cooking. Now, I'm new to her channel and she's new to my channel, so I don't really know if she watches my stuff. I do comment on her videos. And I know she's commented on a couple of mine, but bless her heart, she just looks like she's got a sweetheart, and she does some good cooking, which I can't eat that stuff anymore. But I have good cooking too. So anyway, Stacie's Country Cooking. And Life with Mike. I'm new to his channel also, and he's new to my channel. I try to catch most all his devotionals, and Lordy, that man can post some videos. I had to apologize. I can't keep up. Because, I would watch all y'all's videos. But, I promised him that I would try to get as many as I could. But Life with Mike, really nice gentleman, So he's tagged. 3 bucket lists. And Homesteading with Sadie. Now, I love that lab. And they're new, I think they're new homesteaders. I can't remember, but they just got done building a really nice chicken mansion. So, and she also won my new subscriber 500 giveaway, and that's in the mail. $25 gift card. Thank you. So that is Stacie's Country Cooking, Life with Mike, and Homesteading with Sadie. Now, I will put links to their channels, and go over and say hey. Say I said hey, and if somebody tell them they got tagged in my video in case they don't watch this. Alrighty, y'all. Miss Nina. I just watched Nina's videos. NonnaGrace. Y'all are my family, so it's just like hollering at your kid, when you got a Johnny and a James, you're yelling Johnny at James and James at Johnny. So anyway, Miss NonnaGrace, here's to the bucket list challenge, and I hope I did you proud. Alrighty, adios, y'all.